No, I've talked to many of the lawyers that work at firms like that. The first thing that happens is they handle 200 cases apiece. The problem with that is no lawyer can handle 200 cases. You just don't have enough hours in the day to do it. Secondly, and I think this is the real bad problem, is that the way the lawyers are paid is they get a percentage of the fees that are generated for the firm. So if a lawyer is going to get, let's say, 20% of the fee that comes into the firm, and he's got 200 cases, he can make a lot more money by settling those cases very quickly for a lot less than they're worth than he can by putting a lot of hours and time and effort into it and maybe not getting any paycheck for 2 or 3 months. So what's happening, from what I can tell and from what I've heard not only from clients but from some of the lawyers themselves, is these cases are getting settled for a lot less than they're worth simply because the lawyer's got to earn an income to feed his family, and the client is suffering from it. On the other hand, if you're only handling 20 or 30 cases at a time, you can spend the time maximizing the value of each case so that each of the clients in the end gets all the money they're entitled to rather than, 20 or 30% of what they should be getting. When it comes to representing someone who's very, very seriously injured and whose life has been affected forever and whose family has been affected forever, you should be a lot more concerned about quality than you are about how many cases the lawyer's handling.